rock stone, but this one hopping up. Look here. So clearly, if this not deep enough, this open the casket and thing. I'm here. See one second vehicle forward pass. Yeah. Let me see. Okay. And I want bad machines, you know, and bend. But yo, I now go around here. This a long time I don't feel so creep out. So people normally set up shop here, so I hope say and not because of spirits and them thing that cause the person I will sell right so fi flee or fled and never come back. Or me I hope say nobody rob him and thing because I hope say him good and everything. Alright, so this is Manchester, Jamaica. Notice when I stop talking, silent the place barely a year. I don't know for some animal that in the bush, but there's some different sound. Yeah, I kind of hear enough car forward now. So, center camera, that's the church. And we are going to take a full look. Yeah, man, taxi I run. Because see, so one taxi here. Yeah, me general. Yeah, sometimes you have to try to yell them enough to make sure so you feel a little comfortable, you know. And comfortable for me too. So, no joke. You see me? So they said the church was built in the 19th century. You see me? During the colonial period. Sorry, you understand? When Manchester was being developed as a parish. So that's when the church was founded. You see me? Yeah. Originally intended as a place of worship for the community, it was eventually abandoned. You understand? And it's the state of it led to a series of events based upon its appearance. So if you see type of wall, then you can see that back in the days, the church was a spot. Because look upon the type of wall and thing, it's still a stand up to this day if the church was built in the 19th centuries. You see me? And the wall them still a stand up. So that means you no joke thing make them a wall. Here something a blow forward. Yeah. So it's like me I go find out what they round that side. They see all a box truck here. Yeah. So this is the entrance on the main road looking at the church. Oh. So them said the name Duppy Church comes from the local belief that the site is haunted by spirits or duppies. The Jamaican folklore duppies are ghosts, often believed to be the spirit of the dead who have not found peace. You understand? So that them say why the church is haunted by duppies who have not found peace. You understand? So me I hope say them find peace from them time that till now, because there is tons of grave over there and some of them appear to be open. You understand? So this is a place I always want to see for myself and things. So big up all of the other YouTubers them forward to make me could see a little bit of what the place look like, and I say yeah, I want to come visit a place for myself. You understand? So then say legends and folklores. I can see if I can climb the wall a little bit. Hope it's strong and stable. Alright. Yeah. So as you stand up right at the front, you can see grave and thing on the left. You know what I mean? See all the next box truck here. Yeah. Alright. So place kind of bushy and thing, but the grave them still stand out and thing. So you know, before we go directly in at the church, we're going to show you a bit of the grave them and thing out here, because what I read so far is that graves are here from the 18th centuries to the 19th centuries. You understand me I say? Alright. There's one legend suggests that the church is haunted by spirits of those who are buried there when it was still in operation. You understand? These restless spirits are said to wander the grounds at night. So I guess in the day we're good. You understand? So if you not hear me right now, that means I'm good. So I ask them for access, we can see the place and think manners and respect and much love. Then say people not talk to spirit, but I go talk to you today before me do that tour. So you don't know, me no want no to follow me. When time I leave, because I go home back at my yard and all them things, don't know about that family. If you don't follow me and make sure say I look and protection and I go deal with it. You understand? Nothing else. You see me? So when time I finish, I ask them if you access right now, if you can walk around and see some of them grave here and all of them things and see all of who buried here from them time that till now. You understand? Because only on top of phone grave and me they on top of mine. So we are going to walk now. In Jesus' name. Amen. Alright. So you understand? They say the church is actually reflect of a Jamaica's colonial past, reflecting the architectural style. So if you can see the church, you can see say at the ancient days type of thing. You see me? Yeah. It stands as a reminder of the early Christian communities in Jamaica and the efforts of missionaries during the British colonial period. Yeah. You understand? So make we visit some of them grave here. You understand? Some of them have writing, some not have none. You see me? Like that one here. This blank and thing. Yeah. So there are plenty grave. Some of these ones look like a husband and wife or brother and sister based on the fact that them actually put them side and side. So if me can see a little bit what this I say, excuse me, let me walk on your house. Yeah. So this one is from the 12th of April. The 12th of April 1907, that person is born and passed away the 2nd of August 1992. That's not so long ago. And also this one the 30th of June 1910 and died May 1991. So 1 year apart. And people drop out 1 year apart. One in 1992 and one in 1991. Yeah. Excuse me as me walk by your house. But it look like persons buried here recently because this a person here died 1st of March 2002. That's what year. And the person here born 1939. So I want old lady. Alright, let me say no, Colin Smith. Big up Colin Smith. May your soul rest in peace. You understand? So yeah. See a few more. Yeah, that person here died December 11, 1982. That's a little bit before me born. Yeah. Lenora. May your soul rest in peace. As you can see, some different style of grave too as well. Let me see this one here. Can't read that one so well. This person look like 1951. The person I buried here. So 1951. And as you can see over this side. Excuse me as I walk down the house. Yeah. So if you just join in, we actually going. So yeah, as I say, see some different style of grave and tombstone and bunch of stuff. Yeah. But whoa. As you go through, if you see all them style, I think even them thing this kind of stone looks so expensive. This person here departed 22nd of February 1946. Another Leonora or Lenora. 1941. As you can see, the style of way how them design them here now. I'm not sure if they make it as it can catch water or what. Somebody who knowledgeable of these things can tell me in the comment section. But based on, you see, the way how them material are make very sturdy, solid. This, yeah, I don't know what kind of material this, but something like a concrete. You understand? As we there pass through your house, we just look on your house and think. It look like some farm or something end up died right here, so too. And rotten out right there. Well, I don't know what is that. Probably one bird or I don't know, or some animal. You ain't go up on anybody with touchy. Demise that, you know. So me take back my touch. Cause you know we're not ready for go yet. So yeah. Me not go around no massive, but it give you a feeling like you not even want to walk. But see, this is actually another grave too, you know. I mean, say some of them really mash up and thing. So see, there is like a specific style, this, you know, to make them like this. See, somebody passed away in 1935. And there is so much grave and thing over here. So we are going to try see why them say or why the church actually get haunted. This looks like I want double grave too as well. Can't see writing and thing on there. DUPPY church. So them say at night times you would hear music and thing are play in the church. And people are sing in the church hours at night time. You see me? And nobody in the church. So I saw the congregation stop. Come at the church. Crazy thing happen. You know what I mean? People are here, people are talking at the church and all of them things there. So that's why persons back in the day said the church was haunted by spirits that never find peace. But we are hopes that them find peace in this time. Yeah, you can see even children, kids and stuff buried over here. And it look like people still are buried because these graves look very, very recent. This one here is beautiful, like this one just make, but there's no tombstone on there. So you pretty much can't tell if it's a woman or a man buried here. But the way how them put them so close beside each other, them probably related, or this probably be a family plot, right? So can't make out this person that died 2003. If you can see 2003, the person that passed away. R.I.P. may your soul rest in peace. But yeah, DUPPY church, and the church actually depend on a little hill, so you can see very far. I wish them could have spruce up back the yard and them little thing there. So, you know, the grave them can set away. Somebody come right as I can eat because I can see water bottle, plate. So them probably keep a little reunion type of thing where them come visit them grave here, because it look like somebody actually did clean up a little bit, yes. But some plates and stuff, cup and them thing they left here. And thing that we see on this one, Charles, this person, 1884. Beloved parents, married August 13, 1913. Yeah. And so you have Charles and you have Caroline. One of the side now of the church. And as you can see, the church looking like this. You can tell it's one expensive church this back in the day. One of them churches where you know say have things put together. You can tell by some of the plants them too. Yeah. The plants and the tree look like it did get massive big. Somebody cut it down. And thing. This now silent the place bit. Me alone here probably for a very about a mile. Yeah, and this is one of the entrance to come inside. So the churchyard is massive. There are more than one entrance to enter here. Whole heap of bush and thing. So make way. Yeah, enough mosquito too. Alright, so make way go on the other side. Go see what we can find. So basically everywhere where I walk is a grave. No joke. Everywhere where I walk is a grave. From kids to older folks and things. And one of the things we have to understand too, back in the days when we see them small graves here, it not necessarily means that them a kid. Them the kids are young people. Because when we understand by reading the history is that majority of these people back in the time, back in the days, they were short. Very short people. Because even when I was over in Port Royal too, looking at the place and so on over Port Royal, the tour guide did that make me know say we would have classified as giants to those people that used to be on earth before us. Them did very short. Very, very short. So when you can look on these graves, as you can see the length of them very short. So you can see that the persons them back in the days was really short for real. You know? This one look right there for a very long time to tell the tile them completely off. This person here lived 1974. Long before me born and all them things. May your soul rest in peace. You understand? If you never find peace, may I open again. Parrot. Man, I tell you, you hear some sound and so sitting down and so. Oh, yeah, look like a vehicle drive come up and so to come park. Somebody set up a solar light right there so. It's like a come on at night time. But this one hopping up. Look here. So clearly, if this not deep enough, this up in the casket and thing probably rotten out already. Let me see, I can't see when this one up there. Can't make out that one. 1917. 1917 the person had died. So tell the grave all cave in and collapse. Yeah. Right now the camera they way down inside of the tomb. Rock stone. Yeah man, you can see the people them did very short back in the day. Yes one, people them did very short. So over on the other side, all the bushes and things like. Okay, even this one here. Very, very old. This one does make out of stone. And thing. Like as I said, a man cut in a stone and maybe with chisel. Some form of machine back in the days. And thing. Majority of them are collapsed too. So, wow. I wonder what going on a stone there over this upon one grave. Big stone, I wonder if you can go take a look. You open a stone then put pan for hold down. Nothing you know. Just have to make sure. Or it's a tombstone. This would be a real tombstone. Let me see if I courage them. No. Push. Let me see if we can come close over. Yes. No, I get no courage by it. Rock stone on the place now. Here in the bush. Yeah, it is actually a tombstone. There's a massive stone used to make a tombstone. Like literally. See if I can see a date. This person had died in 1931. You can see it right there, so yeah. 1931. So massive, you see it? No matter how rich you be in this life, and you're going like say, some we do can make patty, and some we do that for people eat, like literally when me in my dream. Yeah. A one road to this and a grave. You understand? In the next 200 years, none of you know where I watch the video right now. Not about. You understand? Including myself for shoot it. In the next 200 years, we have full spot where we lie down. You understand? And gone. You see me? Probably all my daughter gone already too. So everybody will watch this here. Love people. Live. Be happy. Enjoy your life. You understand? Because here, you know, when you're gone out in a hit this year, you know, bushes are going to grow up on them places and all them things there when I no existence. See, all of them things, I agree with them. Look good. I agree with them. So, make we stay there and love people and live and be happy. And enjoy your money and them things there. Nobody feel like say amount of money we have. You can't carry come in them places with you. So if you can help some people, if you make some people live a happy life too. Like you. Do that, man. Because all that money and the big house them and the heap of pretty car them where you buy, make sure say you enjoy them. And see if you can make two people enjoy them with you too. You see me? Because when your time come and when Master God say you have to move, you have to move. You can't stand up. When Father God say you have to move, you have to move. You have to leave this. Remember me tell you that. So make you know wise up here. Somebody make a little makeshift cross on top of that one. You see me? So when Father God say you have to move, you have to move. And you can't tell him say you're not ready. And you can't tell him say you're not go. You understand? Or you tell him say, oh, me just start make some money, you know. So me not ready yet. You can't tell him that. Because he have nothing to do with that. When Mr. Grim Reaper forward. You understand? You have to just go. Yeah? And you can't tell sickness say, oh, sickness can't catch you. And this not because healthy and fit now. It don't work like that. This one now, I'm not sure if I iron this, but the stone I wouldn't use, make that plate here. Look like say, it just make, and if you can check the fact, excuse me, touch your house. This make from this day the person later is March 27, 1858. 1858. Yeah. But not. Depart this life March 27, 1858. Age 51 years old. You understand? So this person was 51 years old when they part from us. Him probably rich. Him probably did rich. Who knows? But yeah. You have to love people because when I hear time, you have to just go. So, me I do a little of this song. At least me have somebody can hear my voice in the next 200 years. And can say, I saw him did I say. And him know. Because I see him lie down someplace you know. You know what I mean? Yeah, look at this. This is beautiful too. Edward Vivian Holiday. That's how they spell the holiday. Died November 21st, 1928. Age 60. At his home. You understand? Jaja. There are loads of grave on the outside and thing. But yeah. Whoa. Only one way to go. You see, these are... Me alone there, you know? Oh my word. The place just Jaja. Alright, so massive. Make we see if we can, you know, walk on the people them grave, you know. Yes, yeah, the next one. So I can say the persons actually proves up these ones, then probably related, verse them to the same place. And then, why the place is so creepy, God have mercy. hope this wasn't a bad idea. Almighty. So this is one side of the church. I don't remember me that was it. But yeah. Make way. You're a place silent, man. Holy wall. I can't like one grave me step in. This is what the church looks like. So we are going to give you a full tour of the church, inside and out and all of the whereabouts. Alright, let's go. Oh, bush a hole in my pants and all the thing there. Oh yeah. So this is the entrance of the church. First two columns as you go up the step. Let me do this. Oh, a steep step, but let's go. So there are some persons who actually come and put up solar lights on the church. I wonder where it for though. If I just not to make the church this creepy or dark at night, but somebody did this, which is a good initiative, you know. But I don't think it make this place less scary, to be honest with you. The place is still strong and standing. Inside of the church and a bush up and thing, and now me I hear my voice a echo. But this is there's a sign over there. I'm gonna read it to us before me even start talk. But once me can figure out a way to go through these rubbles. So people actually put up some stuff on the wall. I can see if I can catch a few of this. So first one is Psalms 121. Right there, so I'm start off with that, and there are some Bible verses here. Yeah. Let me read what this one says, so I can notice. So this one says, welcome all. Let me read it so I can see it too. This one says, welcome all. You may stay for an hour or 3 if you have something to do. Please respect our home and keep our tombs and yard clean. Please be as quiet as you can. Thank you. It would be kind of you to help our tombs sealed, clean, and beautify our yard. We each truly appreciate it. Please do not disrespect our community and never take us for granted and think we are fools and don't exist. We have been around for a very long and we know all your tricks and all the tricks of the evil ones. Respect our belief and think. Oh my word, me just start off be a cold bump. So there are silver and some money and them thing that like people drop silver and them thing there. Yeah, but why them don't keep the people them place clean though? Why the garbage? There shouldn't be any garbage if a lot of persons come in here to view the place and the structure. See? Some of these structures still standing. Look at this mechanism. Still works. After so many years, this structure, this mechanism here still standing firmly. Wow. Some of them fail, but for the most part, you can see some of them still standing. It's the first I'm seeing something like this where the tree actually grew onto the wall. So the tree actually like live on the wall like a parasite. and grow right on the edge of the wall, up through the windows and outside. Wow, that's impressive. Alright, so there's some zinc and thing right there, so a mosquito bite. I mean, step on them and go across. See if we need to make our way on that side over there to see if we can read that one on the wall. Can't make out about this one. Seems like a tombstone, but why then on the wall though? I'm not sure, the wall kind of very thick, so I hope me not think what me I think. That's the grave is actually in the wall. And there is two of them. So let me see if we can make it across these barricades and test them. Oh, it's slippery. All these, oh, me I tap on the zinc and then just a crush. Yeah. So the place kind of well bushy, you know. This is what me up here. Try and go through that bush. Oh my word. So this now from the roof with cave in, maybe like from some hurricane. May I try to be as quiet as I can. Same speed. Whoa, shoot! Look at that. Look at that. I step on this and it go right through the board. Right through the board. Oh, no. Jaja. I'm trying to be as quiet as I can. So let's go. Yeah. Make it across. Alright. That's what the entrance look like. Oh, I'm breathless. Alright, so see, there's more on the wall. Like tombstones. They are given date of if people die, a person there died 1875 over there. So if we can make out this one say 1864 and the lower one right there. And the one above that on the left is blank. There's also one over here on 1856. This person passed away February 3rd, 1856. So from the 18th and 19th centuries, people have been buried here. Whoa. Alright, so let's see if we can read this sign here. Card to the memory of James E. Fructus. This person here died 1955 at age 74. You lived a good life, sir. That's a very long time. So here seems like it's the podium or pulpit, or so them call it, or the altar. Yeah, as you can see the cross there. Oh man. And I'm going to be honest with you, if you're not a strong art person like me, come here with a team. That's all I'm gonna say. Maybe make your experience a little less like what I'm experiencing right now. I'm keeping, every minute I'm looking behind me and all kinds of stuff. Shoot. But yeah. We are sure the persons here, so anybody else who want to come here, you can actually forward so you can see what it looks like, and you can forward for yourself, maybe for a music video if you like, or such. Alright, so you know we are exploring the place. Let me see if I can go up. Ah! Whoa! It's high. And there's actually a room right there too. But yeah, and the pulpit. This is what the view is like from the pulpit area or the altar area. see. So this is the place. I'm gonna figure out if I can go on the back of it. But I wonder if I can squeeze it through here, so a little bit to see what's on this side. So that's that. And then let's see what else this church has to offer. Let me try and make it across this side. That's right. I keep seeing like people leaving money and stuff here. You can see them $20 and stuff. I wonder if I have nothing in my pocket. Let me see. If me have nothing. Boy, I have no silver. All I silver so then in the van. Rock stone. All I silver then in the van. Alright. Me I go. So me you know, the only thing me have the smallest change me have is a $50. You know what I mean? And then say the money are waterproof because it's like plastic. But what me I go do? Me not have no silver in this. So me I go. Me check. Me not have no silver. So based on the fact that me I go show my offering, cause you come to Rome, me do as the Romans do. So see me offering, yeah? It's a $150 Jamaican. You understand? The money are plastic and thing. So the rain not go do them nothing for a very, very long time. I hope so nobody will watch the video and come take up their money, because they probably want to see the new money them. Because all of them money are the old money, as you can see. So me I go give you some new money so you can see some new money. So we put it in the bushes right there, so nobody want thief it. See me show me offering the drop nice for one little leaf in there. So $150 offering, blessed love. Nobody I don't want no spirits follow me home or nowhere. Show me offering, and we are going to look upon the place. Alright, so this look like, where does it this is? Like maybe it was a pool. We then do baptism, because you can see the step over there. So this look like they normally walk here and baptize person in this pool. Me I go to church long time, me I go to church, so me know about the church and the religion, because yeah, normally go to an apostolic church and them thing there. So this look like is a pool for baptism and stuff like that. There's also another, should be good. Make it around here. This zinc and thing, step on this rock stone. Oh yeah. First, me I see the trees grew up, and like trees literally grew on the church wall. Like when the trees are there, going on the wall. Alright. It's alright. Jaja. Yep, this is courage now. Remember them now. Courage, I'm find them there. This is courage. This is touch your skin, your raw skin. Your crutch are out in the morning and me not have no pants. So come on. Let's not do anything foolish right now. Yes, me do something foolish. Hold on my foot courage up now. Jaja. Alright. Jesus and peace, Mr. Catch. Courage. Right. This is the back of the church. Blow out, red hands, do box foot. Get out. Red hands. Bite me on my backside. Oi. Pump off. I'm take off my shoes. Cha. Be a red hands. Shoot up the back water. Boy, oi. Courage a bite and red ant a bite. What's that skirt? I've taken off your shoes. What's that? Boy. Come on. I'll flick off your shoes, brother. Be red ant. What am I doing? Can't move fast. Boy. Double church, remember me pay me offering, you know. Remember me pay me offering, you know. Alright. Alright. Boy. Jaja. Jaja, Jaja. Jaja. What's that? Jaja. Huh? Courage and red ants one time? I don't know how my thing that. Alright, so with the back of the church. Courage up. Okay. Jaja. See that? Slippery and thing for walk. I'm just want to see what the back of the church look like. I have one hat just in case I was. Can't take my wasp thing right now. But yeah. So behind the church look like. So next room or something. Be your courage. So this is one of the rooms on the back. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. So yeah, we can't go no further this as you can see. Be courage and bush. And these are open window and things, so guess what? I have to go back. I have to go back to that side. That be courage, man. One of my foot catch me. But man a soldier. Man a soldier, man can do this. Easy thing, let's go. Alright. Me now go back that direction there, so. Me now go back there, so. So what me I go do? I go jump the wall. So see the wall there I jump. I go over the wall and go around on the other side. So I can see if there's anything else here, but oh, it's slippery as hell, brother. Alright. So we jump the wall. Okay. Alright, you know what? You hear like them say you must walk back way. Come out of the churchyard, so let me do that. Go walk back way, come out of the churchyard. That's what me hear. People from the community say, when you forward and you leave, yeah, nobody jump the wall. Walk back way. Courage everywhere, brother. Shoot. I can find chip off piece of my skin. Jaja. Alright. I can make it back to this side. Alright. Alright. So I go back at the entrance with me. When me walk come in here. Cause they say you have to walk back where you come out. So I go do just that and walk on the other side. Alright. Alright. It's even another entrance. There, so here's another entrance where people walk and you know, going to the church too. So I go walk. Here so you can walk come out too as well, but me I make sure me walk back way of the one that I walk in. So me I go do what then say me fi do. So make we do that. You want to believe what you want to believe, you know, you want to say what you want to say and all them something there, but I'm there up on ground and I'm there. So you can't over internet can't say anything, say no go so and you're good and this, that yeah. Make me do that first and then you can't say anything. So me better sure than not sure. You understand me? So that me I go do. So me I go walk back way out of this. So see, these are the entrance where me walk come in. So me I go walk back way go out. You understand? So see church, eh? Yeah, see church, so make sure you're not even cut this. So just make you need that. So I don't want to cut him, just make it turn and may not do the wrong thing same way. Alright, so back way settings, go back out. So I walk back way, go back out. A DUPPY church. Then say you must walk back way, come out. So I walk back way, come out. Rather safe than sorry. I look, but they don't follow me. I can walk back way, come out of this. How you mean? It was great for to have me over there, but a back way settings, you understand? Back way outside. I want car pass. I go ask. What did they say? And here, make you hear what man I say. Oh, I'm gone the other way. Alright, so this is me walking back way outside of the church. If you don't want to do it, you can do it, you know. But you don't have to. If you don't come here, if you don't want to do it, you don't have to do it. But man say me must do it, so me do it. And me left an offering. Oh God, I still feel afraid. So, yeah, we are go around on the other side now to see what it looks like around here, because I see Ivan even gone around here, so now go around that side to see what is around this side, because I never bother jump away, because me personally want to walk back way, come out. You understand? So yeah, so see church over there again and thing, and you have the other entrance right here, so you see me, see if you not see it. Yeah, I should supposed to be seeing it. And that's the church again. See how about road gone there, way there. What is that over there? There's something inside there. Hold on, let me spin the camera and go look. And there's something over here. Let me see. What is over here? Whoa! This is actually I can't say this is a pool, this is probably a tank. I have no idea how deep it is. Oh my word. This is massive. And this is well designed, but there's no barricades around it, so people can fall in this. Well, actually there was barricade, but people probably thief them off to use to them own a business. See, yeah, there was barricades around it, but as you can see the way how them cut off, shows the people probably cut them and use them for something else. I have no idea how deep this is, but animals will come here wanting to drink water and fall off in it. And from them fall off in it, that is it, they can't come back out. Even if somebody like me drop off in there right now, it's going to be super difficult to come back out. Worse if you don't know how deep it is. At least there's some branches over there, so where you probably could have hold on pan for struggle yourself outside, but this is not safe at all. I hope it is not deep and it is just right where and then I can find a stick. But then I don't want to do too much. I'll go slip. Let me see if I can like. Oh, this is probably tall enough. Rotted backside. Massive. Watch out. Watch out. Me push a stick and the stick tall. See it there so far? Look there. So, and I like say you can't really turn up. So I'm going to shove this down and see how far down it go. Oh, so that means about half of that stick there. Free girls want to just jump out tight for me to blouse and skirt and bite off made like in a show. Make sure I move, you know. But that go halfway. And look how tall this stick is and it go halfway. You see me? So it's actually a well or a pool or a tank of some sort there, so. Alright. Yeah, me I walk away. So, you know, I'm not going to stay there, so. Yeah. DUPPY church. Oh my God. What an experience. Nobody no occupy this a church no more. None at all. So, if the facts are true, why this church was abandoned? Because of spirits haunting the members of the church. Because them say that those are spirits that never find peace, still haunting the church. So them couldn't continue this place as a place of worship. So people, a lot of persons say allegedly that them normally when them a drive past, them a hear singing over there, like choir. Them a hear music playing and all of that. But also what I also heard, and I read a little part of this too, where them say why the church really start getting haunted was because people from the community normally steal stuff from the community, from the church, sorry. So people normally steal like the music instruments and other appliances and stuff from the community. So the spirits them start haunt the church in somewhat something like a retaliation type of thing, you know. But I guess that happening drive fear in people in the community, which lead them to not want to worship here anymore. So it seems like that's the case. But who is me? I was never near around in this time or nowhere. So me just have to do a little bit of reading and stuff like that when it comes on to this place right here. So far, I don't see nobody will live near this place, near the church or anything, but there is vehicle that me hear a drive past down there on the main road side. You see me? No joke. So I open and enjoy the little tour of DUPPY church. You don't know, in a Manchester. I think they said the Marlborough Parish Church is the real name for it. That's what I see online. So you can quote me if I'm wrong. As I said, I never around any time this church was going on. So I honestly just have to read stuff to understand a little bit of what the place is all about. Yo, honest to God, your ears sound tough. Like me don't want to talk to you son, but sometimes maybe they say that's why you must be as quiet as you can. But your ears sound tough. Sometimes you have to wonder if people in the bushes me kill a mosquito. Dead boy. Your ears sound tough. They have to wonder if people are hide out in the bush and stuff to make you experience more traumatic or want to scare you or something. Like me I walk and I talk about like I'm legit. Did I hear somebody say something kind of weird at the back of the church? I feel like I'm ready now. I will close the video out on the main. I just have to talk. My business, I record here and I look back at me. Nobody wants to say I'm afraid or I'm a coward, I'm in business. Coward man keeps on bone. I see people coming and say them are going to try to stay over at DUPPY church for one night and end up run from it. Halfway through them video, them have to pack up and shove. So yeah, so big up if you don't love that video, yeah, and enjoy it. I beg you if you like the video. I beg you if you drop some comment. If you don't think I do a good job as to showing your DUPPY church and what it entails and stuff like that, I'm give you a little bit of history about the church. And yeah, I'm not sure what me left out or what me I miss, but me I hope so to enjoy it, me I hope so to appreciate it. Who never know about Duppy Church or know of say a church like this actually existed, well now you know. And this is the video of us visiting Duppy Church in Manchester, Jamaica. You understand? So I'm going to look cool a little bit, and for me the experience was epic, very scary, and so far I think this is my most scariest video that I've ever done. Based on how I feel, I was mad nervous. I shake a couple of the time then, I cut my foot. There's so much things. Courage bite me up. Me stepping on one grave, we're hopping up, and all of them stuff there. So, for now, yeah, me just stamp, and get rid of it. And nobody no follow me. You know, make whole heap of trucks walking a hiss and all them thing there. So they no follow your footstep. You know what I mean? And so then say, walk in a whole heap of steps and confuse them. Then can't follow you. You see me? But yeah, big up to everybody who watched the video. Thank you so much, Jamaica Walk By. If you watched thus far and you like the content, please may I beg if you like the video. If you watched thus far and you're not yet subscribed, please may I beg you give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. But the most important thing, please may I beg you to click the arrow beside the subscribe button and turn on the notification. Just turn on the notification and put it to all. I don't post that much so your phone won't be annoyed and then think they buy my notifications. All that I go do is just make you know say I post a video and me ask you please to go and like it and to please go and watch it and drop a few comments in the comment section below. Just share your thoughts. See? It's Jamaica Walk By. Big up Lexi, big up Lico Walk By, you know, Kylie, big up all of my subscribers, then big up all my members on Jamaica Walk By. All the persons them actually pay for membership on Jamaica Walk By. And I just want to say thank you guys so much, and super special to me. You know what I mean? Can actually pay for your service every month. See? So I'm greatly appreciated. You know what I mean? And all the persons them who actually dip on the premiere or watch the videos, them thank you guys so much. And I must give a special big up to Miss Kadeen Sterling. Every single video that I post, I can depend on you to be there from the start to the end. And you are always reminding persons to subscribe. You're always reminding persons to like the video. And I just want to take this opportunity to say thank you, Fabian, myself, Jamaica Walk By. I want to say thank you for your great work that you always been doing on Jamaica Walk By. You share my stuff them continuously. And yeah, I say no least important or more important than anybody, but me have to big up the persons them who me see I take great initiative in pushing Jamaica Walk By forward and giving us a chance to reach the 1 million subscribers. So Miss Kadeen Sterling, big up every time, one love. Thank you so much for your great work and things. And that one here just for you, and you me I go talk about Miss Kadeen Sterling. Blessed love, blessed respect. I am outside of this place, because you know one thing, man.